What's up, guys? Tyler here, filling in for Mike for a video. He's at a buddy of his wedding. So we're on our way up to Kyle's house right now. Gonna do a bunch of work on the Evo this afternoon and evening into tomorrow, and hopefully we can get it running with the whole new turbo setup we're gonna be doing to it. We're going bigger turbo, top mount intercooler manifold, titanium up pipes out the hood. Should be pretty dope. I'll film the whole process for you guys and go from there. So we'll check back in once we get to Kyle's house. All right, guys, made it to Kyle's house. There's Kyle. There's the Evo. So we're gonna be taking apart the whole turbo setup. Other than the upper intercooler pipe and the intercooler itself, that's the only two things staying, right?
Yep.
So we got bottom mount manifold, 58 coming out, down pipes, wastegate, all of it. That's all coming out. Switching to a Sheepey built top mount, titanium up pipes, 62, 66. Yeah, should be dope. We're just disassembling. Rad's about to come out. Draining the coolant now. Yeah, that's about it. We'll check in with you soon. Oh yeah, we're gonna take the pain in the ass down pipe out.
It's a 4-bolt boy.
Yeah, they suck. So yeah, we'll check back in with you guys soon. Trying to get this fucking down pipe off. Got the two top nuts off, and if you can see it, see if we can get the light here. Yeah, so we got one there, and then the other one is right there. How that's going to work, well, that one is a little bit slotted, so we can just loosen that. The down pipe can slide off. But that guy is just going to suck. So that's why we're putting a hood exit on it with a V-band, so we don't have to do this again. We got the down pipe off. It's still kind of like jammed in there. We got to get the manifold and the turbo off, and then the down pipe will like drop down. It's off of the exhaust. So now we're getting oil lines, going to drain the oil on the engine, and then manifold studs, nuts, and the studs got to come off because we're putting some Speed Factory titanium manifold studs on it to match the tie-up pipes, you know.
I need a 16.
Need a 16?
Colored long boys on them.
All right, so we're running to Home Depot because we don't have the proper tool to get these manifold studs off. They're just starting around the nuts because the wrenches are too straight. Like the manifold is here and the cylinder head kind of like bends out, so you need a wrench that bends so you can get on the nut 100% so you don't strip the nut out. We can't have that. Got to get this manifold off. So running to Home Depot. Well, got the turbo manifold off with the turbo, and the gate was a super bitch because of, let's see if I can get a light here. Those two right there, those two top guys that the studs are out of, they just did not want to come out. They did not want to have Kyle to have fun. So there's the cock of a down pipe. Look at that. How are you supposed to just... It's atrocious.
Decent shape though.
Yeah, it's in good shape. Anybody want to buy it? It's not. It's super easy to put on, actually. So yeah, we're getting there. It's all apart now, pretty much. We just got to take the studs off, put the titanium studs on, and then it's all assembly from here. So now we got all the studs off. Probably took longer than taking the manifold off, but all the studs are out of there. So now we're going to get some of these bad boys on there. Little Speed Factory titanium guys. Nothing but the best for the best. So there's the part number, SF-02-065. If you guys need anything from Speed Factory, make sure you hit up my boy Zachary Klinger. He's the man for anything Speed Factory. Or
next day.
Yeah, next day from Washington State to Limerick. So yeah, make sure you hit him up if you need anything import related. He got you. So we're back from getting some ice cream at the world's longest wait for ice cream because kids like to get 75,000 milkshakes. Either way, got the Speed Factory titanium studs on there. Yeah, get me some light. Burnt boys. So Evos are really weird that they got two. I guess what are they? M12s or M10. Yeah, they're bigger. So there's the nuts. Ooh, that's a good pick. Yeah, I like that. So you can see the normal, like this is like a Honda style, the 7 there, and then there's 2 that are like weird for the Evos. Yeah, these are the Speed Factory burnt guys. So we got that all on there. And if we show you the goods. So here is the Sheepey built V-band top mount with a Precision 6266 Gen 2 ball bearing stainless rear housing, ceramic coated, and the Sheepey burnt titanium up pipes slash cut. This just looks so fantastic.
Probably just gonna get everything mounted today, and then get everything mocked up, and then tomorrow morning we'll finish getting everything fired up.
Yeah, because it's a little late coming on 10 o'clock, so don't want to push it. Gotta respect the neighbors, but we're getting there though. We'll do a little mock-up tonight, and I'll update you then, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, more mock-up. I currently can't let go of the dump pipe, but you know, this is getting a little bit of a view of what she's gonna look like. Looks fucking tough. So
Slight issue with the lower intercooler.
Yeah, slight issue with the lower intercooler pipe. We're trying to, it's not even on, but we're trying to make it work. Either the couplers aren't right or the length isn't right, but
Made for a different intercooler.
made for the Sheepey intercooler. We have a parent intercooler, so we contacted Sheepey, see if they get back to us tomorrow.
Probably get a longer coupling would be alright, but
Yeah, go from there. But yeah, we're gonna call it for a night, and yep.
if this is a little bit longer here,
And this is already a longer coupler than what Sheepey provided.
yeah, these probably be out here another 2 inches, we'd be chilling.
Or, I mean, in reality, they should just had the intercooler pipe itself extended 4 inches total, and then it would have been good. But we're gonna call it for tonight. We're gonna get back with you guys tomorrow. All right, so it's morning time, Sunday. We are getting back to it here. We went to AutoZone to see if we could get a coupler for the lower intercooler pipe that came with the kit, but nobody has what we need. We're not real sure why it doesn't work. Kyle's going to talk to Sheepey on Monday, see what they have to say, go from there. But we're going to just get it to fire up without the intercooler pipes, make sure everything is good, nothing leaks, and go from there. And then he'll get a intercooler pipe or intercooler coupler off a Summit or something like that before the Stansco meet on Wednesday. So yeah, we'll check back in once we really start working. All right, so we've been working on this thing for a little bit, hour and a half. The turbo is on, hopefully for the last time. This thing was on and off about 6 times to get the drain fitting on, the coupler on, to get it clocked right. The gate should be on for the last time. We cleaned the manifold with alcohol, get all the fingerprints off to make sure it stays that nice golden color after it heat cycles. Oil feed is on and ran. Everything is loose. We are going to do the tie up pipes next. Get them all fitted right. Make sure the turbo still has a little bit of play back and forth. So we're just gotta get everything lined up and cut where the up pipes are gonna go in the hood vent. All right, so everything is mocked up. The hood is trimmed. Everything's kind of loose. We need to tighten all the V-bands. We'll need to readjust everything. But yeah, I'll switch the camera around and show you guys. There she is. Sticks out the hood. That's it. Yeah. Happy, Kyle?
Hat boy.
Happy boy. Let us know down in the comments what you think about this setup, all the titanium. I think this shit is dope.
For anyone wondering too, it also has a straight up downpipe too. So if I get tired of the loud fucking.
Has a 2-piece downpipe. This is the part off the turbo. This is the part that goes towards the exhaust, and here's the bottom screamer pipe. All the
fully modular.
So there's Danielle. All right, so everything's done. Everything's tight. We're gonna do a little crank, run some oil through the turbo, make sure everything's good, no leaks, and then we're gonna do the first startup. So yeah, let's do that right now. All right, go ahead. Good. Make sure. Yeah, crank it again. Good. All right, well, we're about to do first crank. Go ahead.
This is the sensor for the new AEM Yugo wideband 4.9 LSU, I think is what it's called. Mm-hmm. And I have the old style 4.2. You can see this one's rectangular, and this one's got like a rounded edge on the one side. So we ordered the right power cable for the new wideband. Yep. So that'll be here probably Tuesday too. Yep. I don't need it to run the car, but
no. All right, guys, so that's it. That's a wrap for how to do titanium up pipes on a top mount turbo on an Evo in 2 days. Something like that. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Do all the stupid shit Mike tells you to do. I don't know. But, yeah.
Like if you want me and him to start a YouTube channel.
Yeah, KNT takes over Mike DeFusco's YouTube. Tell him in the comments all day. So, yeah. That's it. See you guys next time.